And then the Sattvic people, purity, goodness, they focus on attaining the purpose of life. अपना अच्छा करना है, उनको इतनी चिंता नहीं होती है, but they want to establish the goodness, always thinking about doing good for others. मंदिर की सेवा करेंगे, लोगों की सेवा करेंगे, they are always thinking about doing good. So therefore, since they don't have their personal motives, they have a good intentions, and their discrimination is also good, and they are very content, very compassionate people, and very humble, very caring, very forgiving. Mother Teresa, I don't know how many people you know, Amma ji aati hain, she is Swami ji, Satya Sai Baba ji, all these. So, Sattvic people are very spiritual, very selfless, very sharing, very simple. Doesn't matter how they dress up, they are very simple at their heart, like a saint, and they practice goodness. So, ideal proportion of gunas is, it used to be, not a concept, or just take a child. When child is born, usually all the good things, all the sattvicness is there. And usually this is the ideal proportion of the is. The sattvic should be 70 male and female, but the problem is today sattvic is very little, and rajasic, which should be only 20 or 10, now it has increased tremendously. But the tamasic has increased, selfishness has increased so much, everything is me. And that causes tamasicness. So, but everybody, this is the ideal proportion, average proportion 10, 20, 70 for tamasic, rajasic, sattvic, but gradually it keeps changing, and actually it's not only changing. In morning person is more sattvic than in the evening. Different part of the body, the lower part is more tamasic than the upper part is. So it's all tamasic, sattvic, we are made with that. So the ratio of tamasic, rajasic, sattvic is like time, morning more sattvic, during the day is more rajasic because we are more active, at night we are more tamasic. So, but again, one person does not stay all the time sattvic or tamasic or rajasic. So it's a different type of gunas. So some person might be certain things they might do sattvic, but other things they might do rajasic, or other things they might do tamasic. Tamasic because we are in this body, so we have certain activities. Or it could be rajasic, or rajasic, sattvic, or tamasic. So it's all different types. And everything in the creation, the beauty in everything in the creation is influenced by three gunas. So there are three types of people: tamasic, rajasic, sattvic. Thoughts are again three types, intellects are three types, food is, as I mentioned, three types: sattvic, vegetarian, not fried food, fresh vegetables. This is all sattvic food. And action, what brings the unhappiness at the end, that is tamasic action. Which brings more action. One action leads to another action. More increases more desire. That's also a rajasic activity. But the one which leads us to more positiveness, more happiness, that's sattvic. And then again, the faith are three different types. And worship, as I said, some people worship Bhoot, Pret and all that, that's a tamasic puja. Other people worship all the Devi Devtas because they worship it because they want something. And if we do the puja and in return we want something, or we are doing yajna and then in return we have some motives behind it, that's a rajasic. But we just do it because we want to feel like they're doing Gita because they want to do it, that's a sattvic jnana. In the book I have a lot of tables in the summary of gunas, tamasic, rajasic and sattvic. Everything is in the table format there. And it becomes very easy to, all the verses are there. So what are the benefits of transcending? We'll just finish in 5 minutes. So benefits of transcending, Lord Krishna says transcend. So what is the benefit? In chapter 14, beautifully, Lord Krishna says, one who transcends the three modes of material nature, gunas, and constantly serve me with love and devotion. Love and devotion is the key. Under all circumstances, Because sometimes we love people, but when they do something wrong, we start hating them. No, under all circumstances, when we have that love, or we start some project and we get disheartened on the way, we leave it. No, when we do it with love and devotion, when Baba ki puja karte hain, love and devotion, that is love and devotion. But if somebody says something and we don't stop coming to the temple because I didn't get the aarti, I didn't get the time to put the chadar there, they ask somebody else to put the chadar and not me, I'm not going to the temple. It's a samtic act. But I'm doing it here with love for Baba, not for anybody. That is love and devotion, all circumstances. That person becomes eligible for nirvana. वो इंसान जो है एक जीव आत्मा, जो कि हम एक जीव हैं, उसके अंदर आत्मा है, उससे जो है हम धीरे धीरे ऊपर उठते हैं. So again, doubts to decision to duty. Nashto moha. Nashto moha, attachment is gone. Smriti labda, memory came back. Smriti labda. Sthito asmin, I am more stable, my mind is more stable. Gat sandeya, all my doubts are gone. These are the barriers which stops us to make the decision. And how? With your grace, Lord, because you were with me. That's why I could go through this turmoil, and now I will follow your advice. Because in verse 2.62 it says, बुद्धि खराब हो जाती है. When person has confusion, smriti is gone, memory is gone, बुद्धि खराब हो जाती है. And here he says, my smritis came back because now I am with you. My buddhi is again, my intellect is working, my mind is working. I recognize, and my memory came back that I am a Kshatriya. I should perform my duty, and this is all happened with your grace. So tomorrow we will talk more about how to practice it. But one thing is just for today, for practicing. Lord Krishna never said to Arjuna that Arjuna, you should fight because Duryodhana did this. No, you should do to establish the righteousness because you are Kshatriya, it is your duty. You should focus on yourself and your duty. So we should not blame others. We should always see our responsibilities, or there is an act for us, there is a purpose for us. So if we just not stop blaming in our life, and as I said, यदि हमने एक ही चीज सीख ली कि हमने blame करना औरों को छोड़ दिया, and start going within ourselves that how can we improve, what can we do, हमारी गीता जयंती यही बन गई. 4 दिन मना रहे हैं, ठीक है, हमारी गीता जयंती आज मन गई because we stop blaming other people and start also recognizing and start evaluating the situation like as Arjuna did. He went and instructed the whole battlefield. If we start taking those two things, and when we are in Vishal, instead of complaining, crying, and usually क्या होता है when we are upset with somebody, it's a natural property, every person has it. We start bad mouthing that person. निंदा अपने आप मुंह से निकलती है. And if we start doing that part, just these 3 things from that, and then अपने आप हमको जो है, we will become equanimous, and that is samatva yoga, which says then we are union with God. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
We will say Om 3 times.
लो